In this video, I will show you on how to shop or how to order for product from more than one shop or more than one store in 168 Chinese shopping app, just like what you see right here. Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp and sent me all this link right here from different store to place order for all this particular product on 168 Chinese shopping app, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how we actually place order for this product on 168 Chinese shopping app. However, I have already worked on this particular order. You can see all order screenshot in the picture right here alongside the quantity of the product as the case may be with respect to each of the link, and likewise the product picture sample, everything right here in my DM. How can we place order for this product from different store or from different shop on 168? So let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the link right here. So these are all the product link. I'm going to simply click on the first link right here, just like so. Have you opened up the product link on 1688? Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and add the product to cart, check all the product details such as product graphics and everything about the store before you go ahead and add the product to cart. However, to make this tutorial short and straight to the point, I've already had all different store products to cart, and I will go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to cart. So here we go. You can see all the products from my cart right here. So from here, I will simply place order for all these products on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach, or you want me to pay your supplier in Alipay or WeChat, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So next thing I'm going to do is to select all the products from each store one after the other. I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this. Then scroll down, I'm paying for this, 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 I'm paying, and then I'm paying for this, just like so. So having select all the products, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Can check on the preview right here and see if there is any error or any mistake that you need to correct. So scroll down and check on everything right here. Then if you are buying product that should not be used in China, you need to be sure that you certify that the product is moving out of the China, just like this one right here. Just click on here and choose your destination product. So next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Just like so, I'm paying the sum of 144.75 yen. Next thing we want to do is to choose our means of payment. So in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. However, you can use your MasterCard or Visa card, or simply add your bank card right here, or better still, use World First as a means of payment. But in this tutorial, I'm using my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then allow the Alipay to connect. Then enter your payment password to complete the payment. Now payment done successful, just like what you see right here. You can see the proof of payment right here. Next thing we want to do here is to, next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to close this bump up. And the next thing you want to do is to click on here to go back. And then go back. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. So I'm getting to my profile. You can see all the 10 links right here. So let's check it out. Here we go. So you can see all the product has been paid for successful right here on 1688. Lastly, I'm going to exit from my 1688 right here, and I will go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here to send the proof of payment to the owner of these schools. So for that, I'm going to simply click on attach right here, then select proof of payment and say payment done, and hit on send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay your supplier on 1688, Taobao, JD.com, Shein, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.